We will now discuss the remaining exercise 2.2, question number 14, 15, 16 now. Question number 14, it says that Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 1000 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. Denomination means is a proper description of a currency amount for coins or banknotes. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Okay, she is having total money is 4 lakhs and of 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note, and their ratio is also given. That means number of 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note is 2:3:5. That means we can consider 100 rupees note as 2x, 50 rupees note as 3x and 10 rupees note as 5x. So if she has 2x number of 100 rupees note, that means how much money does she have for this 2x number of 100 rupees notes. So that means number of note is 2x and 100. So money will be 2x into 100, that is 200x. This is only of 100 rupees note. Next 50 rupees note is 3x. Means 3x number of notes she is having of 50 rupees. So money for this number of note will be 3x into 50, that is 150x, and 5x number of notes of 10 rupees. So total money for this is 5x into 10, that is 50x. Okay, so that means she is having, if I add them, that is the total money she is having. So according to the question, it is 200x plus 150x plus 50x equals to 4 lakh. Okay, so it is 200 plus 200, it is 400x equals to 4 lakhs. So x equals to 1000. Okay, so that means number of 100 rupees note will be 2 into x. So 2 into 1000, that is 2000 notes she is having of 100 rupees. Same way we will get for 50 rupees and 10 rupees. Next is question number 15. I have a total of 300 rupees in coins of denomination 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. The number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coin. And the total number of coin is also given. How many coins of each denomination are with me? That means I have 300 rupees and these 300 rupees, that is I have only 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coin. If I consider 5 rupees coins as x, so how many 2 rupees coin I'll have? 3x. Okay. Now the total number of coins is 160. If I add this 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin, that will be 3x plus x. This is 4x. 4x number of coins I am having for this 2 rupees and 5 rupees. So how many left? Total number of coin is 160. Okay. So 160 minus 4x will be 1 rupees coin. Okay. So according to the condition, it will be your total money is 300 rupees. So for this 1 rupees coin means, if I multiply 160 minus 4x into 1 plus 2 into 3x plus 5 into x, it should be equals to 300. Okay. Now you can solve it easily. Now you solve it. You will get x. From x you can calculate 3x and this 1 rupees coin. Next is question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 rupees and a participant who doesn't win gets a prize of 25 rupees. The total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. So you are asked to find or calculate the number of winners. So if it is unknown for you, I can consider it as x. So number of winner, let's consider. Now how many participants will be there who do not win? That will be total number of participants is 63. So 63 minus x will be number of participants other than the winners. Okay. So for winners, how much money is given? Each of winner is getting 100 rupees. So for x it is 100 into x. Okay. And that other participants who are not winners will get 25 rupees each. So for this number of participants will get, each of them will get 25 rupees. So that the money required for this number of participants will be this. Okay. So according to the question, 100x plus 63 minus x into 25 will be equals to 3000. Okay. Now I think you can do it easily. Solve it. Thank you.